October brings a calmer rhythm to the orchard, yet remains one of the most important months for any grower. As the air cools and the leaves fall, the trees begin their period of rest, creating the perfect opportunity to prepare the soil and roots for the next season. While it may seem that work ends after the harvest, this is actually the time when true care for the orchard begins, ensuring strong growth and rich yields in the following year. Late varieties of apples, pears, and quinces reach their final stage of ripeness during this month. The fruit should be picked carefully, sorted, and stored according to their condition. The best ones are placed in a cool, dry, and ventilated area, while damaged fruits can be turned into juice, jam, or dried for later use. It is important to regularly check stored fruits, because a single spoiled one can infect the entire batch. October is also the perfect time to plant new trees. The soil still retains warmth, and the autumn rains provide ideal moisture for roots to develop quickly. Saplings of apples, plums, cherries, and walnuts thrive best when planted in soil enriched with compost or manure. Before planting, it is good to dig a wide hole and add a small amount of ash, which serves as a source of valuable minerals. Once planted, each young tree should be secured to a wooden stake so that wind does not disturb its roots. This is also the period for pruning and shaping tree crowns. Removing dry, diseased, or broken branches prevents infections from spreading, and wounds should be treated with pruning wax. Special attention should be given to any signs of fungal diseases or bark damage, which must be removed immediately. Fallen leaves, old fruits, and small branches should never be left under the trees because they attract pests and create ideal conditions for disease. It is best to collect and burn them or move them far from the orchard. If the leaves are healthy, they can be used to enrich the compost pile that will feed the soil for the next growing season. The ground between trees benefits from light loosening and the addition of organic fertilizers. Turning the soil improves air and water absorption, and a little compost increases fertility. Older trees can also benefit from a thin layer of wood ash, which helps balance soil minerals and reduces acidity. After the leaves have fallen, it is recommended to spray the trees with copper-based protective solutions such as Bordeaux mixture. This preventive step reduces the risk of fungal infections that often appear in spring, especially on more sensitive species like peaches, cherries, and plums. At the end of the month, trunks can be whitewashed with lime to protect them from sudden temperature changes and insect damage. Around the base of each tree, a layer of straw, mulch, or dry leaf will protect the roots from frost and preserve soil moisture throughout winter. Experienced gardeners often use October to propagate berry bushes, such as currants or raspberries, by taking cuttings, which is a simple and inexpensive way to expand the orchard. Although October marks the end of the harvest, it actually opens a new chapter of preparation and care. Every step taken now, from cleaning and pruning to planting and protection, ensures that trees remain strong and ready for the coming season. The quiet work done in these weeks will reward you in spring with healthy blossoms and an abundance of fruit. Thank you for reading, and see you soon with more useful gardening advice.